What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Solana, currently sitting at 213. We're up 14% on the day. We're sitting a market cap of 103 billion, 24-hour volume 5.15 billion. So let's hop into the Solana chart. Beautiful double bottom. Looks like we completed our ABC correction. And we're heading up for that neckline. So you may see a little something like this. Hit the neckline, reject, pull back, and then continuation, or break the neckline, retest the neckline, and see continuation. But I do think the correction is over for our friend Sol. Nice ABC correction. So if you take a trend-based sub extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3, to the bottom of 4. That will give you a target for the wave 5. This has to be adjusted a bit. So most likely the 78.6, which is coming in at 281, or the one extension is very possible, which is coming in at 311, would put Sol over $300 per coin. Pretty nice in my opinion. If we look at the daily chart, beautifully broke out of this descending triangle, but you could look at it as a bull pennant. We beautifully hit that target. We fall back to support. This is why people that have experience in crypto, we don't freak out. Like every single pullback, all the retail, like the newbies, they freak out. You know, Gala's the worst coin once again. You know, what's happening to Solana? It's crashing. No, it's just pulling back to support before continuation to the upside. And you can see here on the daily, back above those daily EMAs, pushing for that double bottom breakout. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Yeah, weekly looks beautiful. Huge pump to the upside, consolidation, accumulation, next pump, pull back to support before the next pump. That's how it goes, guys. That's the nature of the market. So in the short term, we're looking for a test of that neckline at about 223, 222. See if we reject there and then pull back, or if we break it and then retest, see continuation. But the targets to look for are 282 and 313. As you can see, we're in a Solana trade. We're also in trades for Ethereum, Polygon, Turbo. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world. If you put 1,000 into your trading account, your futures account, you get a $200 bonus, but you do not have to do that to gain access to my trading group. You just have to take 30 seconds, sign up, send me an email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many coins, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals. One of our members is also posting trade signals all day long, and you can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Literally worth $50 a month, $100 a month, which is what most people charge, but I'll give it to you completely for free if you take the 30 seconds to sign up to BITUNIX and send me an email. All links down below. Smash up the like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.